Hey guys, how's it going? How to turn text into speech with LOVO AI. So go ahead to the LOVO.ai website, right? And basically what you're going to do, you can just go ahead and click start now for free, right? And basically you're going to wait for a few moments, right? And what you're going to do, you can go ahead and start your new project, right? Click create new project and you're going to see right here, show voiceover. And you can just go ahead and add your text, right? Let's have an example, this voice or this text, excuse me. And if you want to hear the voice, you can just go ahead and hear the voice, right? And basically hit generate right here at the bottom, and you're gonna wait for a few moments and you're gonna be able to see your project, your voice project, right? And if you want to get back to it later, but you can go ahead. Let's have an example, this video, right? This text. I'm gonna click the play button right here to hear it.
Hi there, welcome to Jenny. The simple mode is perfect for creating single speak.
If you like what you see, you can just hit download next to the name, Sophia, or next to the share icon. And then you're gonna be able to download it for free. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.